In this video, I will show how to add like or dislike button in your WordPress post. So very simple and basic way. Search this plugin WP you like, install and activate this plugin. Like or dislike button for any post type, comments, body press, BB press, track what your users love and what anyone. After activation, you will see these settings and interface. There are some options and customization. Complete these options. So this is the useful plugin to add like or dislike button. Thanks for watching, and guys, if you need to learn how to use this plugin, so comment. I will create a new video tutorial about this plugin, how to use WP you like plugin. So thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.